Hello YouTube family, how are you? I hope all are you fine and happy. Welcome back to Fashion Forward, your ultimate guide to style, trends and everything in between. Today we shall be exploring the world of stiletto, high heels and moles, two iconic styles of footwear that have defined elegance and sophistication in women's fashion. In 2025, these shoes are making bold statements on runways and redefining how we think about comfort and style. Let's dive in. Stilettos have a rich and fascinating history. Originating in the 1950s, they became a symbol of femininity and elegance. Named after the cylinder dagger, the stiletto high heels has evolved over decades, adapting to changing fashion trends. In 2025, we see a resurgence of classic stiletto designs but with a modern twist. Think metallic finishes, intricate embellishments, and sustainable materials. Brands like Jimmy Choo, Crystal Labuation, and Manolo Blanc are leading the charge, blending timeless elegance with innovative designs. Moles, on the other hand, trace their roots back to ancient Romeo, where they were worn by aristocrats. Fast forward to the 1990s, and moles became a staple in every fashion-forward wardrobe. In 2025, they have made a triumphant comeback, offering versatility and comfort. From low-heeled moles perfect for casual outings to high-heeled variants for our glamorous events, moles cater to a variety of styles. Designers are experimenting with materials like velvet, leather, and even transparent vinyl to keep this trend fresh and exciting. Stilettos can elevate any outfit, but styling them correctly is key. Here are some tips to keep in mind. For formal events, pair black or nude stilettos with a sleek evening gown. For a chic office look, opt for pointed toe stilettos in neutral tones with tailored trousers or pencil skirt. Want to add a pop of color to your outfit? Go for bold red or electric blue stilettos to make a statement. Always ensure your stilettos fit perfectly to avoid discomfort. Comfort is just as important as style. Mayar are incredibly versatile and can be dressed up or down depending on the occasions. For a casual day out, pair flat moles with cropped jeans and a loose blouse. For a sophisticated evening look, opt for high-heeled moles with the midi dress or midi leg trousers. Experiment with textures. Suede moles can add a touch of luxury, while metallic moles bring a modern edge to any outfit. Do not forget accessory. Anklites can beautifully complement open back moles. The footwear trends in 2025 are all about individuality and innovations. Here's what to watch for: spectral heels, unique artistic heel designs that blur the line between fashion and art. Vibrant colors, neon hues, and bright pastels are dominating the scenes, offering a playful take on classic styles. Eco-friendly materials. Sustainability is a major focus with brands using recycled and biodegradable materials. Embellishments from pearls and crystals to intricate